morning, everybody. Welcome back to new live stream here today again in Paraguay, Asunción, guys. Welcome back. So first things interesting for me is the daily previous high. That's what I'm looking right now for today, is the previous daily high. No daily previous day has been taken. So if we go to the chart, what do we see? 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 What do we see is this previous daily high has not been taken out. So let me put first this previously daily, beautiful daily high there at 596.50. So I would love that high to be taken out. So I'm looking for that direction. A move higher here would be amazing. If I'm not able to see a move higher here and I'm not able to find an entry, I will look happily to a short from that level. Let me share my live stream as well. The cat. La 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 la. So the previous daily high is the what I care for today in NQ. Let's see how is the hour chart. Our chart is interesting. So what it means that for me, this is the level I'm looking 500. This 520, 500 area will be the best for me is seeing this coming back, taking these lows and holding this 500 to look for a continuation higher. That's what I'm hoping for. It's true that we have taken pre-market high, and this can reject and come back lower. So we're going to use this 520, 500 area as decision matter if we're going to keep going long or short. I will be careful around it. So we'll see what's going to happen. What else? What else? What else? So that's mostly it for me for NQ. I would like to see this level holding, and first this candle coming back lower, taking these lows, coming back above, closing about above 520, and then I would be happy taking this long. Good morning, Trafix. Good morning, Mufti. Guys, good morning. So that's what I'm looking in NQ. What I'm looking in gold instead is similar things. So let me see the daily chart in gold. In gold, guys, to be honest, I'm looking for longs. Why I'm looking for longs? High that has not been taken, highs that has not been taken, previous highs that have liquidated, yes, a few, but one true high was not taken. These previous highs took the previous one, big support level. So I'm looking for this to push a little bit today in gold. How we're gonna find the longs in gold? Hello, Nick. The gold in the long in golds, it's a bit critical. So you see a lot of choppiness here, definitely a lot of choppiness. Here is creating right now support there, resistance, support. It's a lot of choppiness anyway around this area, so that's going to be a bit careful. But if I see it coming back lower and closing above, I might look for longs up to these highs or even higher. We're gonna see it on this first. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. This area. Let me see the 3-minute chart. 3-minute chart is coming to this level, but it has to grab the previous low here to make me think about going long. This god has to come, grab this previous, and then I would be happy to look for longs. to make me think about taking longs in gold, it has to take this previous hour low, and then everything above that closure I will take for these highs or even higher at the next one here, if I want to be more risk rewardy. Thank you. I'm really looking for that 520, this low, quick, and coming back. Not gonna take any longs. I wanted to see something taken out first on the long side, and then I will decide. Good morning, Nick, Mufti, and everyone. Guys, hopefully we have a good week, like last one. Today I promised, because I want Nick and each one of you to leave, because I promised as well on your life. So if I enter in a trade, I'm not gonna move my stop loss and take profit. So we'll have a defined stop loss and a defined take profit. Hello, Matt. Did you receive the money, Matt? I don't think if you ever replied to me about the money. Let me see. Did you ever reply to me? Matteo. Ah, yeah, you got it. You confirmed it. Yes, you say thanks. I was like, what the heck? I forgot about that. Incredible. I can send money to Brazilian people without problems, guys. I'm such an international person. I can send money to anyone around the world. So if you win giveaways with me, you can be relaxed. Money will be on your way. I mean, this is long. I mean, these lows here will be even better, but this has to be taken. This pre-market has to be taken for a direction low. It does not convince me as much as this one here, this previous day's high. Even this low here was taken out already. This one was touched before. Came back lower. I do still believe we can go higher in NQ, just because we want to take the previous day's high. I don't know about that, my friend. I don't know about extension and promotion, stuff like that. Usually lifetime fee gets moved a few days more, but just because I speak about the past, I don't tell you it is gonna be this. It's just a possibility, but I'm not gonna, I cannot tell you if it's gonna happen or not. Let's see if my order is working. There. I try the Pro. Yeah, that is good as well. It took a little bit for a Trader Pro to show me the order. Let me see it again. Did it delete everything? Yes. Now I put a long again. Now it's better. Okay. Deleted? Yes. No exposure. How are you guys? How was your weekend? Everything good? So I'm so tired, by the way. I'm trying to stay awake. I need a coffee. So that's why I'm drinking Coke right now. So I have something to wake up. I don't have a coffee here. But yeah, it's a Monday. I need to sleep a bit more. Today I will go to the gym. I need to be ready for the Brazilian body. Why are you tired? I don't sleep enough, my friend. It's my issue is sleeping time. I don't sleep enough. It's my issue. Why not? I don't go to sleep early. Will you only trade until Wednesday? That's a good point. Thursday the market should be closed. So Thursday we're gonna have day off because there is no market open at all. And Friday we're gonna have half day, but I think I will be trading. Why not? And I'm an idiot. There is no reason. Market is open, guys. We're pushing right now. Let's see how we were gonna evolve. I'm interested on long in gold. If we close above, I'm interested to take longs in gold. Even after these first 3 minutes. And Q will leave it there. It do what it wants to do until it shows something that makes interesting. But this gold, I like it. We have support, support, support. We didn't grab anything big highs here since a while. So I'm looking for a continuation. Still 2 minutes. Still it's time for this candle to close, do whatever he wants to do. So I'm gonna wait. Maybe take this trade to the long. Stop loss here. Profit, first take profit will be here. That is already 1 to 4 if it happens. If it happens. If it does not happen, it's peace and love. If not, previous next highs are as well there at giving you like a 2.6 risk reward. That would be interesting. But we'll leave it there. NQ pushing right now. We're gonna leave gold there until we have the first 30 minutes closure. NQ pushed. Previous day's highs is there, guys. I'm looking for this. If we take the previous day's highs and we start to close lower, that can be an interesting short. I would be interested to take shorts. Morning, Mohammed. Morning. Wow, we are pushing very well. Oh, that's the target was that one, but no entry for me. So there is no reason for me to get angry or passionate about the fact that I thought it was going higher to break previous day's highs. It did it right now. So it did now right now took the previous day's highs. And we're gonna look in gold if we can have an entry, guys, in 40 seconds. What could be the target here? This hour here as well. Gone long, guys. I like it. Go long in gold. 4 contracts. Stop loss will be the lows. And target will be this hour target I looked for. Let's see if I'm gonna get destroyed by this trade. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see if gold is not my instrument to trade. That would be sad. NQ pushing so well right now. NQ pushing so well, guys. Let's see NQ. Oh my God, he's pushing not well, even more than well. That's a good push there. I'm gonna look for this long in gold. Target is there, stop loss is there. I won't touch it. How are you, Coqueto? Muy bien, mi amigo. Todo bien. Aquí en Paraguay. Un poquito cansado, Un poquito cansado, pero una vida muy tranquila. Mucho trabajo, solo mucho trabajo y comida. El último sábado aquí tenía el partido de Copa América con un equipo brasileño con un equipo de Argentina. El equipo brasileño ganó. No, el equipo brasileño ganó. O el argentino ganó. I'm using Quantower connected to Rithmic. Mohammed, good morning. Incoming today later for 24,800. It's looking super strong in Q. Hopefully, God, we can get some push as well here, guys. I like it. I'm gonna take it. I can sometimes wait for this retest, but this retest will be like so much. You're trading gold? Yes, long in gold. I'm gonna show you the reason why I'm taking this gold long. I like that we didn't grab anything big here on these big levels. We did here, lower side. We are holding this level, so that's why it's taking this long. We grabbed the previous hour low as well. It's a bet right now on the long side. It's a bet that I will do again. Yes. I'm sorry for the Brazilians. We have so many Brazilians and Argentinians here. $200 up. Very good job, Mohammed. Money Fayad. I'm long, guys. Hopefully this trade will work out. Thank you. There is nothing for me yet. It's just really cruising higher. Hopefully we don't get crushed by gold. But right now, NQ, there is nothing for me. We are pushing strongly. What are the next level? What are the next level here in gold? If we really hold these levels in NQ, the previous day's high is so far away. There's this area of resistance to support at 2,500. 2,500 seems the next area in NQ. If we don't fake out here, that's interesting. NQ really pushy, guys. Only gold, not pushy. I wanted to take a long, but for me to take a long in gold, in NQ, I wanted this. Enclosure above this level. And I would have taken a long. But it did not happen, it just skyrocketed, so there is not much to hate on myself. The gold trade, I like it. I'm gonna wait for it to work out, hopefully. Finger crossed it does, but yeah, we wait for gold to give us hopefully a nice push right now. No mujeres, no mujeres. Soy una persona muy concentrada con trabajo e la mia carriera. Carriera? Can you say carriera? It's the same in Italian. But so much Spanish in these days. I'm like, my Spanish, it's improving a lot, but wow. So that's the way to really get the language on, is really just speaking it. Wow, something happened there in NQ. Wow, look at this NQ there, guys. Hopefully we don't get us our gold there. Oh, that's a quick rejection there, and gold is getting beaten up as well. Let's see. Tomato up 1,600. You got really this nice push. Very good job. What the fuck? Let me get my loss then. Oh, that's so sad. Let's start the week with a nice loss. That was a good trade. Gold seems I'm not able to read it anymore. I had some good reads, but gold has been like difficult for me. That is to fake money. I mean, you can request pay. Did you request payout? You said that you cannot. Okay, because you have to wait. Come on, push gold. Don't make me. Yeah, this doesn't look good. This doesn't look good at all, guys. Get me stopped out. Oh, market, stop me out. How much am I gonna lose? Probably $6,000. Oh my. Can I add to a losing trade? Like I will do like tomato right now. I'll add to the losing trade right now. Stop me out. Oh, stop me out. Ta 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 ta. Oh, trade stop me out. Yeah, this looks is not gonna hold, guys. Or don't trade anymore if you're satisfied with how much you have inside. Oh, my computer is slow. Okay, I got stopped out. My computer is slow as well, because you see my camera is delayed compared to my voice. Down $350, guys. Gets a little slippage there. And unfortunately, it is what it is. And I don't know. NQ is not. I somehow gold is not my read anymore. I might have to switch to just get rid of gold and just base myself on NQ. That last week I had very good read. My camera is delayed, guys, so I might have to. Okay, wait. Let me get. Yeah, I think this one is better. I remove my phone. It's lower quality, but it's still, this is still fine. At least you can still see me in a proper time. That's a good way. Made so much money. I think it's far harder to trade than it was good last month, but yeah, gold has been so hard for the last 2 weeks. Freaking hard for me. Wow, not even. I might remove it to concentrate myself in one instrument and don't take multiple instruments. I might do that. It's as much as what might give me some nice trades or whatever. I want to have less trades. Less trades is the way to do it in this career. Let's see if these previous day's highs hold here in NQ, and the only things we might look for longs to go back to the 25,000, because we don't have anything here. If this is really holding, we want this to come back, cram some people out, close above, and then look for longs. If this does not happen, we won't take any trades. I mean, if you have to wait, I mean, you can continue trading, or you can have as well, look, 15 days of break or 20 days of break until the 20. Oh, the best. Don't trade anymore that account. I didn't think about that. Don't trade anymore that account. Trade another account. Pass another account, trade that account, and make it grow. And then request payout when you will be ready to request payout. I didn't think about that. That's one way. Wow, that's, yeah, taxation, the fact of taxation are delayed by years. So even if you do something probably incorrect by mistake or whatever, they will let you know 4 or 5 years later, because the system is delayed for 5 years. Black Friday is still not here. It's next Friday. But if there will be a promotion, I believe it will be there a promotion, but who knows? I'm not the one. Unfortunately, I don't have that power to decide. I wish I was. I had. Means I was rich. I wish. I wish. I wish. I wish. I don't know, guys. I don't know about promotion, seriously. As much as I would love to tell you, it will be a better promotion, it will be this, it will be that. I don't have anything on this information. And even if you think about that, even if I had this information, I could not tell you, or if I get fired. Sure. So, and even if because if I tell you right now, yes, will be a new promotion on Friday, and it will be this percentage and this lifetime fee, everyone will know. This thing goes viral. No one's buys account. I lose my job. So even if I knew, but I don't know. That's the simple things. I don't know. So that makes it easier. What is my goal to see what is gold right now? Let me see what is gold. I'm not gonna take any more trades with gold because I just did not read their first bounce direction. It might come, but yeah, it seems that my level was incorrect. Maybe it's just lower, but who the heck knows? Who the heck freaking knows? I just then like this level. After this low was taken, this now is another one, but yeah, this is unfortunately when you use a level that is not perfect. But and it was a level that was coming from the 1 hour chart, so it was a good level. This one I used, to be honest. It just did not come to be perfect, but it's okay. We're gonna leave it there. Gold can go away. Go away. I don't need you. I'm gonna look for these guys to do something like that right now. Come back, grab more low people closing above, and I will look for longs. If this does not happen, I will accept my loss. Don't force it, Matt. I would say don't. I would say don't force it. I mean, if you see a good setup, take it, because it's evaluation and you want to get the $40. If you see a good setup, take it. If there is no good setup, don't take it. Don't be mad with yourself. There is no setup. How many people we are right now, to be honest? 14 people. We reached a bit more, I don't know. 14 people watching right now. Welcome back, guys. I'm waiting for this to come back lower. To make myself think about longs, I want this to come back lower. Holding these previous day's highs. Come back. And now gold is pushing. Now this piece of crap of gold is pushing. But look at this ES, by the way. Look at ES. Compared to NQ. Not that sexy, huh? Previous day's highs taken, and we're not holding anything. We are very weak. This ES more looks like a downside things than NQ. So might be this is not even holding, and this is gonna just sell off lower. Afonso, good job for you not trading. I already have my nice loss for the day. I'm looking to see that might be the short situation. Just this holding these highs. And AES is right now selling. It is a technical short right now. Below this level, $280 loss. Looking for 400. That's one micro contract. It's a good loss. If we close below here, taking out all these people high, and ES not holding, that can be a nice short, 40 seconds. 300 loss, 430. It's gonna be interesting, guys. I might take it. I'm gonna take it, guys. It's probably I'm gonna scream myself about this because I'm gonna take this short. 248. That's gonna take me to max loss of the day. I'm gonna grab the lows. I like the short because ES is not making any effort of holding these previous days. Not holding anything. ES is looking to dump lower. So I'm looking for this to continue to the downside momentum it's looking for. I will take the risk. I will take the risk. This is my second and last trade, and then I'm done. And then I'm done after this one. Let's see. And now this thing is gonna skyrocket. And my long idea was caught. I prefer the short, waiting for all-time high. Look at this gold, by the way, guys. Look at this gold. How do you like this gold, guys? You're not. You're late for losses. You're not late for winners, so you're fine. This gold in the end came out to be nice. Unfortunately, I just got kicked, my ass kicked by that stupid trade. But look, if I get screwed by this, at the beginning I thought about longs, guys. By the way, to be honest, I thought about longs. I might get screwed because aiming for shorts, it's a big risk on this trade. It's a really big risk. But I'm looking for ES being that weak. So let's see. Maybe I'm gonna get screwed. Hello, UK. This probably, guys, is gonna be a long. Yeah. Did I move something now? Yes, it's coming back. This looks, guys, it's holding previous day's high. Yeah, it's holding previous day's highs nicely. This looks like more like a long than a short right now. But let's see, long. Yeah, this is looking for up to the 800s. This doesn't look good, sexy at all. I said to myself, I'm gonna leave to stop loss to take profit. Just because I read something, I'm not taking it to the end. If it gets stopped, do you see I said before I was looking for longs. Did I say it? This was my initial trade. This was my initial trade, guys. This was my initial trade here. We might make it look for 800. This was my initial trade. When I said these are possible longs, this is my actual trade. I'm not gonna hate myself on this trade. I'm fine with the loss. If I take my loss right now, I'm fine with it. Do deposit. No, I'm gonna keep the trade because it's still valid for what I saw in ES. What is ES? 1 hour chart. Look at ES. Look at ES right now. Ugly rejection here. We're closing 5 minutes the hour chart, the hour candle. A lot of potential to have grabbed these highs, coming back to these lows here. So that's the reason I've taken this short. But we're gonna wait and see. Maybe I'm gonna get unlucky. Maybe I get lucky. Maybe I take max loss and peace and love, guys. If I take max loss, peace and love. Something to learn today. I had the right longs idea in gold, but too early on the entry. I would have taken the short. Welcome to with me, guys. So suffer with me. Suffer like if you were in a position. Suffer like if you were in a position and you were trading with me right now. I'm right now hoping that all these people that are buying, thinking of a continuation long, like I was thinking as well before, they're gonna get crushed. For the rest, well, was gold? Yes, brother. Look at this gold. Look at this gold, man. Look at this gold. I took long here. I got stopped out here. It went. My trade was something like this. That was my trade. This was my trade in gold. Fortunately, it was the next. It was this level here to be. I looked at this level, but it was this level. I mean, no, it doesn't matter because it hold it anyway. The same level, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, let's see if I'm gonna get destroyed as well by second trade, looking for shorts. If I get stopped out on these shorts, it is what it is, guys. We're gonna accept it and move on. There's not much that I can do. I say to myself, I promise this week I'm not gonna touch take profit and stop loss. And if it's that case, we're gonna accept it. I'm okay. It's gonna be around $600 loss. That is my max loss with $300 loss on each one, and I'm okay with it. So this one is like $250. I lost $350 on the previous one. Aiming to make $450 if it if it happens. So yeah, I'm gonna stick with it. If it happens, it happens. If it does not happen, happen. What the heck? That's very deep knowledge there. Yes, last Friday, guys. Emotional Friday. I don't know if you were during the live stream. I remember Sunrise. You were there. Taking the short, stopped out in break even, entered short again, stop loss here, take profit there. Take profit that was perfect, to be honest, at this level. And then these things skyrocket. It's coming to the loss. Yeah, I swear to you, I have water here as well. I just the code to stay awake. Market, can you sell off? Can you sell off, market? It's holding previous day's highs, guys. It's, I would say 80% chance is gonna go and break this level. 80% chance, I'm gonna say. But I'm in a trade. I'm gonna touch it anymore. I'm not gonna fumble. A Coke Zero, yes. It's a Coke Zero. Just to keep my calories low. I'm trying to lose weight. That's it, guys. Guys, max loss on the day. We're gonna take it as good traders. This is a beautiful long. Unfortunately, it did not happen that we took it. You could have even a better hand trade with a pullback here. had a nice, how much is that? Risking, no, that's too much. Risking $240 to try to make at least $600 there. That would have been a beautiful trade, guys. Unfortunately, it is what it is. We accept it. We're gonna move on, and yeah, I'm gonna as well probably close my live stream at 10 a.m. I don't care to stay here watching my red numbers, and especially because I'm not gonna take more trades than this. And the stop out is coming, just a matter of time. This was a beautiful longs. He has faked me out by this, to be honest, by that situation. Fake me out, okay? I just need to be here to flatten Trader Pro. I'm ready to flatten Trader Pro everything. I'm ready on that. It's unlucky, you know, because gold read. I'm gonna say it was fine. Here was correct. I get faked out by freaking ES. ES was horrible in the hour chart. It got me dirty. This rejection here got me dirty, but you see the 1 hour close right now strong enough. So right now it's closing strong. So this is things is looking like it pushed. So right now it stopped me out. So I have to go and close everything just to be sure. So it happened that I got stopped out. This long was beautiful, guys. This long was beautiful. This would have been like a perfect long here. Probably like $500 win in this trade. Giving back the account back to green. Something like this would have been a nice trade. Because we said it. What did I say? Is this pullback, getting stopped out and closing above. So this is like a trade for me. This is my setup. And this is holding as well previous day size. But ES faked me out. I have to be careful next time to don't get faked out too early on our hourly candle that are still not closure. This was the trade. This was a beautiful trade. To 800 easily to the 800 I would have looked at, because there is nothing. There's literally nothing. You can even hold it to 25,000 if you're like that crazy. I'm fine of taking ES because the ES, there are good situations where these. The only thing I tell you what is my mistake here. I tell you my mistake with this one. When this short makes sense, when ES is faking out, this I think it makes sense like this. Let's say this comes like this, and NQ comes here, does not grab the previous days, and start to fake out. But ES did grab the previous days and start close lower. Then I would be like, you can take this short to the previous because ES did. Here is different. Here is different because here is not that NQ is not taking anything. It freaking pushed and is holding a level. So right now we have NQ strong holding a level, ES on the short side. So right now I'm betting that NQ will not hold the level instead of rejecting a level. So here is my mistake. NQ was not still rejecting a level, was just holding a level. So that's why I think is the difference between this trade and the previous and that what you mean. So that's why I think that my mistake is one is strong, one is weak. I cannot use them. But if they were both of them weak, like say I want to take a liquidation graph of this level, and Q does something like this, but ES does something like this, yes. I get it. I understand your just to have one chart on buys. I get your point. The simpler it is, better it is. Huh? I get your point. But I'm fine of keeping it for the moment. And if I see that my results start to take too many bad trades, yes. But this was a good long setup. It's sad that I'm not in it. I'm sad I'm not in it, but that was a really beautiful setup. 2 contracts, 300. $315, $300 loss there, up to 800. That's $600. That would have been a $300 win on the day. $300 on a win day like that. Guys, it sucks. It's just because I got the bad reading, NQ long and NQ long strong, AS weak. I cannot mix them up that much. I have to give the right the things. As well, gold went to the sky. As well, gold. I had the right read. It is good. I don't have to hit myself on it. We lost $600. It's fine. We're gonna recoup them with one good trade and a half. But this was a nice trade. This one was annoying, but what else we can do? Nothing, guys. I am gonna call it. Less subjectivity helped me a lot. I'm trying as well. It's just I had the right read, my friend. It's just it was a good long on the previous level. First people taking out, but even that, guys, even that I could have taken this long. It did not work out, and I would have probably say deposit. Every trade cannot work. Even if I say that. Now, last week I took almost every trade was correct. This week could have started well. It is what it is. We accept it, guys. We accept it. I'm gonna move on. Tomorrow we'll be back live streaming. Promotion is still on for today for Apex. For the rest, guys, thank you so much. I have to go because I have to have a call right now with Aaron and Chu. I need to check out and move to my new apartment. See you guys.